So this video is for recovering bookmarks. You know, when you go to use your computer and you log in and your bookmarks are suddenly gone for whatever possible reason. Well, this is how to make sure that you never lose them again. This also works for Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. What I'm going to be using is Google Chrome, but the process is very similar. You see these 3 dots right there in the top right hand corner. Well, you click on those, and you go down to Bookmarks, and then you go over here to Bookmark Manager. Click on it. Wait for it to load. These are all of my bookmarks. I don't have many, but these are my bookmarks. And then by the search bookmark bar, there will be 3 dots on the right hand side here, and you just click on those. You go down to export bookmarks, and then it'll choose the bookmarks that it saw when I chose to export my bookmarks, I believe. And then it has my file name as bookmarks 2918 because today is 2918, but you can rename it whatever you want. And you can put it in your files, wherever you want to put it. I'm going to put mine in OneDrive. Save. And now they're saved in there. So what you do when you log in and your bookmarks are no longer there, you would go into your Bookmarks Manager, like we did before. You know, you click on those 3 dots, go to Bookmark, click on Bookmark Manager, and then you go to these 3 dots and find Import Bookmarks. And then you would find that file that you made for your bookmarks and click on it and import it, and your bookmarks would be back. So that is how you keep your bookmarks with you forever. Okay, well, that's it for this app review. Thank you.